Everybody, today is the 13th of May, and we're going to discuss the Alex Murdaugh case. And today, his murder conviction was thrown out. There will be a new trial. So let me give you a brief outline with the case back from 2021. The background and the original trial. In June of 2021, Alex Murdaugh, a prominent South Carolina attorney from a well-known legal family, was accused of fatally shooting his wife, Maggie, and his son, Paul, at the family mansion. The case quickly drew national attention due to Murdaugh's social standing, the brutality of the crime, and the complex web of alleged financial misconduct surrounding him. The 2023 trial lasted 6 weeks and featured testimony from dozens of witnesses. Prosecutors introduced a key piece of evidence, a video recorded on Paul's phone that placed Murdaugh at the crime scene minutes before the killings. They argued that his mounting financial troubles, including theft from clients and his law firm, gave him a motive to divert attention from his legal and personal crisis. Murdaugh admitted that he was lying to the investigators about his whereabouts that night, citing paranoia from opioid addiction, but he steadfastly denied killing his family. In March of 2023, the jury convicted him on 2 counts of murder and 2 counts of using a weapon during a violent crime, sentencing him to 2 consecutive life terms. Later, in September of 2023, he pleaded guilty to dozens of financial crimes and receiving concurrent state and federal sentences totaling 67 years. May 13th, 2026, present day. Appeals and Supreme Court decision. Murdaugh's defense argued that his murder trial was tainted by misconduct from the Colleton County Clerk of Court Becky Hill. They alleged she told jurors not to believe his testimony, pressured them toward a quick guilty verdict, and misrepresented certain trial details. An appeals court rejected his request for a new trial in January of 24. However, on May 13th, 2026, the South Carolina Supreme Court unanimously reversed that decision. Again, unanimously. Boy, I'm having a hard time with that word today. Reversed the decision from 2024. The justices cited a presumption of prejudice stemming from Hill's alleged actions and concluded that Murdaugh had not received a fair trial when it came to the murder conviction. As a result, they vacated his murder convictions and ordered a new trial. So what does today's decision mean? There will be no automatic release from jail. He will remain in prison due to his lengthy sentence for the financial crimes that he committed, which could keep him incarcerated for decades unless those convictions are for some reason overturned. The case reset. The murder convictions have been vacated, and the case will return to the county circuit court for a new trial. Prosecutors must decide whether to pursue the murder charges once again. It is not a definite that he will even have a second murder trial, but I find that would be highly unlikely under the circumstances of this case. The ruling centers on whether the trial's integrity was compromised, not on proving Murdaugh's innocence. Ongoing legal and public scrutiny, the decision has reignited debate over prosecutorial conduct, jury impartiality, and the handling of high-profile cases. So in short, the new trial order is a procedural reset for the murder case, but Murdaugh's current imprisonment for other crimes will continue unless those convictions for some reason are also overturned.